Hi, my name is Rustini. I've gotten a job as a warehouse and logistics executive on 5th of November. Before coming to E2I, I was worried whether my resume was okay and what to expect and answer during an interview. After meeting a career coach from E2I, Mr. Shakong, I got the chance to attend the online executive workshop on 5th to 6th of October, conducted by Ervigor, and my trainer was the awesome Ramesh. My biggest takeaways from the online executive workshop are knowing the difference between our strengths and our skills. Our strengths are something that we are very good at, it's easy, and it keeps our energy level high. Another powerful thing that I learned was how important a powerful self introduction is. I would encourage all our fellow job seekers to attend this executive workshop by E2I because you will definitely get a lot of useful tips that will make you ready and well prepared for your job search and interview, and also not forgetting on how to improve on your resume. I would like to leave you with these words to encourage on your journey. Do not give up, follow and practice whatever that you have learned and whatever that has been taught during the executive workshop, and I believe you'll soon find your dream job. Keep on learning.